Let's see what the gold has done yesterday, what we can expect today, and learn something new. After the previous day has finished a indecision candle, we can see that here, with a wick large on the upside. Yesterday I mentioned that I am expecting that there is high probability that the price will try to move higher because the wick on the upper side was much larger than it is on the lower side, which means there is no sellers pushing the price down. We can see that yesterday the price has formed this strong bullish candle, which has made a bullish breakout above all these small resistance levels that has been created by the candles in the previous days. We can see that the price is reached 3054.37. I have also currently modified this resistance level based on the current status on the market. So the new MT4 template will be available inside the premium analysis. If you would like to receive it, feel free to join. The link will be below in the description. Yesterday also I mentioned one bullish breakout with the traders inside the premium analysis, and this was here. It is at the noon yesterday where the price has formed this bullish breakout above 3037.98. At this price level I mentioned that I am expecting that the price will reach this area, which is the target 3045.97. We can see the price immediately has done that. In the following hour, the price has reached that target, so this was a successful bullish breakout yesterday inside the premium analysis. After that, we can see how the price has behaved. Since yesterday, we can see the price has formed its strong 3026.21. This is the resistance level that has been broken with strong bullish candle. We can see this candle has closed above the open and close of the previous candles, which has suggested a pretty strong bullish momentum. High probability that the price will try to reach higher price levels. Here was also a small bullish breakout above 3032.60. Targeting the next target, we can see the price has reached that, but from here it is a 4-hour time frame. The resistance level, the price has returned back down, forming a bearish breakout targeting the next support level. This was here. After that, the price has returned back up. We can see it has formed another bullish breakout above this resistance, where the prices continue to rise in value. We can see it has gone above 3037.98, which is a very important resistance level. It is a 4-hour time frame, and we can see that is the range area where the price was bouncing up and down, up and down. First of all, this was 3026.21, but after the price has formed this bullish breakout, we can see that here 3037.98, the target was the daily resistance around 3054.37. We can see that how the price has done that, and this was a suggestion for the market that the price will continue to rise in value. When the price has reached this area of resistance 3054.37, we can see the price has formed a bullish breakout with small candle. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see the price has formed a strong bullish breakout with a strong bullish candle. You can see but the price has reversed back down, where the price has reached this area of support. So for now, what I can see, I need to adapt this one because the market has reacted differently on this area. So I need to adapt this one based on the market conditions. Just a minute to see how the price has behaved in the past around this area. Okay, this will be it. Now we have a much more clean situation about this area of support and resistance. Let's continue. The price has reached the first support level. Here it has bounced because we can see the price also managed to make a bullish breakout above this confluence of resistance. We can see this is the trend line, which is acting as a resistance. Then it was acting as a support. This was an area acting as a confluence of support, and the price has continued to rise in value. Here the price formed a bullish breakout targeting the next resistance, which is 3062.21, and we can see the price has returned just down to test the previous resistance. Now is acting as a support, and it has continued to rise in value. Now where the price is currently is the new area where there is no support and resistance levels based on the previous testing areas, which means these are not tested and confirmed like in these examples right here. So I will be very cautious because today is also a Friday, which could usually trigger a sell-off, because we can see this week on the daily time frame, we can see that for several days the price was rising up, and today is a Friday where these buyers could log their profits, which means getting out, that means selling the pair, which could also trigger that the price returns back down. This is the Friday, but especially in the afternoon, so I will be cautious, waiting and watching for the new trading opportunities. I am also cautious to predict where the price could go, because these levels I have created with the Fibonacci expansions are not confirmed, so they could be also a false one, or the precise support and resistance area could be around them if I have missed these price levels. Maybe I have also predicted very good where these are, but it needs to be cautious, and also when predicting where the price will reach the target, where is the support and resistance, it should be very cautious, especially today when it's Friday. So what I am expecting for today, I am expecting for now the price could reach higher price levels, but how far I do not know. For now 3078.95 is the next resistance level that I am expecting. This was a small bullish breakout, at least what I can see here on the 1 hour time frame, which has been confirmed, and what I can see, the price is trying to move higher. The daily time frame shows me that the next resistance level will be 3106.92. Is that the precise resistance level for the daily time frame? We will see in the following days. But for now, I am cautious for today, and I'm waiting outside of the market until the price makes some kind of a retesting of the support and the resistance I have just created, or the price returns back down. So for now, it's very important for the price that 3054.37 resistance level has been broken, which means the bulls are stronger and there is high probability that the price will continue to rise in value in the future. But let's see how the day Friday closes. At which price level will there be any kind of shock on the market? Will the price returns back down, or it will continue to rise in value? This is something let's watch on the outside of the market, and wait for the market to make the movement and then follow the market. So for now, I'm sharing also for other 7 symbols. You can see that here inside the premium analysis when the breakout happens with the traders, so they are informed when there is a breakout and what is the target. For now, for the gold for today, waiting outside, waiting for the clear opportunity to see where the price could go, and will these support and resistance levels be respected, or I will adapt to the market conditions. That's all for today. What do you expect where the price will go? Will it reach today the next resistance 3106.92 or some other resistance level, or do you think the price will reverse back down because of the Friday, or there is some kind of market expectations that you are expecting that could push the price in any of the directions? Feel free to share that inside the comment to see what are your thoughts, where the price could go in the future. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.